Hello, so now it works, but this sound is not working now. Hello guys, so today we can see that market has already fallen a lot. Already we are late into the game. So let me check how much we have fallen down. Around 3.29 percentage from current high. So it means the market is already down. The financials are not that good. So why are we here today? After we see this kind of market, what can we do in the end? That's the question we need to ask. Let me see if I can start the music somehow. Um, with the music, we'll have better, vibrations going on. But my setup is not ready today.
PIKRAMS PC disconnected. Ready to connect. Connected to PIKRAMS PC.
Okay. Wow. I had my mic. Hello. So I'm unable to set my current system. So the mic has very heavy sound. So Razer mic has no sounds going on. Maybe I'll transfer all the sounds to my speaker and I will not have anything. Okay, let's see. I cannot hear my stream, how it is going. So we are still program starting, view, trading view. Okay, that's crazy. Hello guys. So today we have already went down. We went down heavy. The market has gone crazy today. Let me remove some input sounds. So I should not hear anything right now. So all my output should be going to speaker, eraser sound, okay, and desktop audio is not there. And Somehow my contour is not working. Okay, looks like it's better now. So what happened today, if you can go to our trading view charts, we were somewhere over here. We went all the way to the downside, and at this moment I don't think we should take any decisions. It's not a good idea to take any decisions here. Okay, so my Razer mic works perfectly. But the problem is I cannot hear any sounds inside my Razer mic. I don't know what is the problem with that. Aha, okay, now I got it. Okay, Razer mic is output. Let's see, I'll create update. Okay, I think we'll be good now. If I go to my stream, let me try to hear to my own stream right now. This streaming is it's hard. The Razer output. There is a preview here. I don't know what to do with this preview. So the market is continuing to slip downwards. So we are trying to go down. Let's try to short here. So why I'm going short in this location? We tried and we failed, so I'm expecting a quick flush to the Monday low 530, so I will put my stops to 530, around 530. Yeah, so I am already in some profits. Let's see if you can flush continuously down. So let's go and see, let's discuss the market, what's going on. The market is in heavy flush downside, so we have we want to close ourselves around the Monday lows. Let's see, the market is trying to go down and we are still in this trade. Let's see if we can get a flush towards the 28,535 location, which is, we are basically trying to flush down towards the Monday lows. Hopefully the market will give what we want, and we will, if we close this candle below, then we have a good chance to continue to flush towards the downward side. Yeah, so let's see if we can have enough push towards the downward side. So we just need to wait for this. So the thing is, market going down, still going down. We're waiting for this Monday low to be in place. So we took a trade at this level, 785. Yeah, 785. Our stops are around 200 ticks towards the downward side. Market is in a very heavy momentum towards the downward side. We don't know, nobody knows what's going to happen, but let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for this event to happen. We have around 200 ticks. Hope we will not get stopped out. So this is one around 1 to 4 hour trade. Now we are making a heavy return to the upward side. Let's see if we can hold below. The market already went above this Monday high. If you see in the in ES, we are moving above. So let's see if we can get a 835 stops. The market is in a heavy push towards the upward side right now. Let's see, this can be still be flushed. At the end of the day, we don't know what's going to happen, so let's see if the market is going to hold below. Loss of sellers. So we see loss of sellers in the tape. It is getting very hard for the buyers to continue move up. Loss of sellers in the tape. Yeah, so we are again backing off. Hopefully these set of hopefully this volume is going to push the market down rather than going up. Let's see if they can flush. If they break below, then we will have a good trade. Now we need to see lots of sellers coming in. Lots of buyers again trying to hold. Let's see if we can get this trade. Lots of buyers again. We see lots of fight in this region. Hopefully this flush will this is going to flush down. We already have held, so the probability of our trade will increase towards the buying towards the selling side, towards the win, because we see the Monday lows has held against all these buyers. The sellers are still selling below this price, so we can expect a very good flush now. Given the volume, let's see if we can have a good volume. The volume read is very good, so we were like 51,000, very nice. Delta 2,000, there are some buyers, they got absorbed here, like heavy absorption and loss of selling volume coming in. Let's see if we can flush down. We just need to wait and watch. That's what we can do. There is nothing that we can do from our side. Yeah, let's wait what these buyers are planning to do. So they are still holding. Buyers still holding. It's not that easy to like do buying. But it is very easy to do selling. There is a heavy volume here, so I don't want this to come back and like stop me out. So what I should do right now is to protect myself, at least have a break even. I don't want to lose on this. We already have around 1 to 2 hour in this trade. Hopefully there will be lots of sellers. They will continue to push down the market. So we need to see lots of sellers at this area. We need to see a very quick push down. Okay, let's see if they can break below this low in ES 7,307. Let's flush down towards the lows. Let me see if there is any live viewer. There is no one. Okay, I need to set up my quant tower. Okay, now we are good. So we are good. We are trying to go towards the exit of our positions. Hopefully, we'll get our trade. We flush down. We have flushed down very heavily here. The market is trying to achieve this Monday low. When the market will come very close to this, I will try to trail my stops towards the end of the uh, market. Let's see what these sellers are trying to do. Very close. So there is a big, okay, there is something happening here. Let's wait and watch. Lots of sell pressure. We have lots of sellers coming in. Buyers got absorbed. Sellers continuing towards the downward side. But there is some buying pressure below this. Okay, I don't want this to go too high. Lots of buyers are trying to come back. Hopefully they will also get absorbed and we will get our trade. We would like to flush down towards the Monday lows. That's all what we want. That's all what we want right now. Let's see if there will be enough sellers. They will try to defend their positions, right? Let's see the tapes and buyers in the tape, but there are some buyers. They're trying to actually not allow the market to go down. Okay, there is again a huge fight here. Okay, there is a huge again buy pressure. So there is like very less area left for the sellers to go and punch the Monday lows. Loss of buyers. But yeah, the sellers are still trying to take back the control. Okay, this is too much. So we just need to hold it. There is some front running happening, I see. Hopefully there will be some sellers, they will be defending this price at this position. Okay. I will possibly trail it tight because these buyers then they can come back. I don't know what kind of buyers are they. Like they are heavily trying to protect this area. I don't know why. But yeah, sellers are still squeezing in. So let's wait. Let's wait and watch what will happen. Okay, so all the buyers have again got absorbed, just like that. Okay, lots of buyers in the tape. Again got sold off. Okay, I think I I'll take 1 to 3 hour at the moment, given that the market can is holding here. The better option is to just take 1 to 3 hour trade and then close. Let's see if they can finally do it. The sellers are getting absorbed here, but wow, loss of sell pressure. Let's see if we can get it, if we can get to the target. uh, we will need a big flush. Loss of sellers. Okay, we are kind of have a very heavy sell pressure. Okay, that's coming in. Loss of sell volume. The buyers are like trading in 20s, and the sellers are selling in 15. Okay, that's good. And we are selling at buying at 18, and we are selling at 9. Okay, possibly the sellers might take it over. Okay, let's see if we can punch into the target. Okay, there's a new candle, 6:15. I'll possibly close off the trade because the time for the trade is over, and buyers can come at any point. I don't want to lose any money on this trade. All these, anything above this, I don't want to lose. Okay, let's see if we can punch it. Okay, we are making new lows. That's the best thing that we can do, and possibly I will have to trail it tight. And we got our exit. That's it. Yeah, so we have the trade finally completed. 1 to 4 hour. That's my, oh, it's even more than it was. This is 1 to 5 hour trade. Oh wow, that's even better. Okay, so we got around, so I started with this. The market is very fast and it's going towards the downward side. So I'm done for today. So it's basically I made around $1,500 with this trade. Not bad. But we entered in a very good timing. So the timing is, we were trying to go up, but we broke down, and then I entered in the mid. So this is the best time to enter. This is the best time to enter. Like, when we break any consolidation, like, let's enter to the trade, yeah, and let's continue the trade and see what's going on. We made a good chunk of money. So let's go back to the trade and let's analyze it. I only take around 200 ticks of risk. So this gives us around a 5-hour trade at the end of the day. And yeah, let's go and continue to do the good quality trading in our community, right? So last Monday, I was not able to enter any trade, even though it was like very short, right? The market was dumping, and I was not able to enter at my positions and localizations. My target was this Monday low. I want to target when we break below the previous week close. When we started boiling towards the lower side, I entered the short, a 200 tick in stop loss, and around 1000 ticks in profits. Yeah, that's what we do. Like 1 to 4 hour gives us the best opportunities. So for now, what I will do, I will just wait and watch what the market is doing. and we will see if we can have another trade in other accounts. So let's wait. So I was actually waiting for this opportunity. When this will break, I will enter. I had another entry when the market actually was going down. I entered here and I lost all this move, right? But I still am able to capture the 1 to 4 hour and see the market still is going down. It's like very heavily dumping. So after this level is broken, the the probability of going it even further down, it increases. Yeah. And there is something exciting about today. I will tell you. The market can actually go weekly expected low already. So we are already we are already traveling downwards. Already traveling downwards. Oh, this is already like 1 to 6 hour. That's crazy. The market keeps dumping, and it's also like dumping from Tuesday low. If I could have held to these positions, I could have had more money. But yeah, that's all. Like, I don't want to risk getting stopped out. Yeah, we have much more sellers right now in the market. So I will be waiting for more opportunities. Market actually broke down towards even. So I am actually expecting the market is going to at least go to the Wednesday lows. Let's see what the market does. So we are already bouncing back in the ES. So I'm just sitting in my hands, waiting for the market to show me more structure and more opportunities. This can be a good opportunity. So let's see if we can have a good number of confirmations. So here we are back to Monday lows. Um, I won't be entering any shorts yet. Reason being, we are still going and consolidating above. Let's see how high the market goes. Oh, we already broke it here. So we broke below the Monday lows. Uh, can this give us another opportunity to short? Let's see. So we have around, let's see if they will hold below. If the market holds below this, then we can again target another 4-hour trade for a different account. But I need to find the correct entry, that's the thing. As the market is still selling, if you go and check, okay, so I need to, so okay, so now I see lots of buyers in the tape. Lots of buyers in the tape. And based on the speed, lots of buying happening here. Okay, but at the same time, sellers are also very aggressive. There is something here. There is something different. I won't be entering this trade yet. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, so what I saw, market tried to go up, but we rejected here. Like this 1 minute. Let's see, guys. Let's see. That's a good sign. So what I saw, market keeps trying to go up. The volume increases, and hopefully we will not break towards the upside. Market keeps trying to go up. Now the surface increases, and hopefully we will not break towards the upside. was not reading to the comments yet. Hey Pratik, are we waiting for long here? No, right now we are just waiting for the market to show us a path. Right now we are just waiting to see whether we will break towards the downward side. So we so the thing is, here the market has rejected this area for some reason. I don't know what it is the reason. Let's try to find out. Okay, we are over here. So there is some previous day POC. So basically I'm showing you how I trade. Yeah. So just make sure that you follow through, because this is my own strategy. I have found I have spent time and energy to find out the levels. So there is a previous you can say 2 months ago, there is a Friday, push towards the upside. So from here, the market actually started pushing towards the upward side. We went higher from here. This is the same area. Market came here, and we again made a second leg, and we are back at that level. If you see, we broke this level. Okay, that was that POC. We broke that POC, and then there is this area, which might be acting as a magnet. So we are just waiting for the market to show that it will stop going down. Market can still come to this POC. So this is like 2 months ago, 2 months early POC, right? So maybe the market is going to flush back to the to the Monday low, back to the Tuesday low. That is a possibility. But if you see, ES is still holding above the Tuesday lows, and it's making higher highs. Buyers are trying to take control from here. So I'm still waiting for the market to become a good, come to a good position. Let's see. Okay, I hope this will cause a failure. Hoping for the market to fail here. So we tried to go up. We did not break below. Okay, that's good, but it shows the market is actually trying to hold this level, Monday low. So the market is very volatile, very volatile. Should not be playing around. We'll just wait. We'll watch. So this shows the market is not allowing any sellers to sell below this. If the sellers will sell below this, then we can actually try to short. Okay. Okay. There is a seller entering in the market, trying to enter into the market. Let's see if it gets absorbed. By seeing the volume, we can also see what is the interest. If you see the volumes for these buy cycles, like this is the buy cycle, we had okay, there is a rise in volume, and there is another buy cycle. There is again a rise in the volume. Yeah, possibly I will still go for shorts, but the thing is, we might continue to consolidate in this area. We'll continue to consolidate in this area, and it can go, if you don't break anything, then we can the consolidation range. Okay, there is a big seller. Okay, they did it in just one shot. Wow. So we did a Tuesday low, so they came and tagged the Tuesday lows. So I did not get any opportunity. I was actually thinking to short, but I was planning to short. Market does not like that plan. There was a big seller sitting here. People are getting panic attacks right now. Institutions are panicking right now, like what's going on. Yeah, everyone is trying to sell crazily. I cannot even put any trade. It's hard to put any trade. You can just wait and watch. Markets are very volatile right now. There is no way I will enter in this market. I already achieved the target for this trade in just 1 second. No one can believe that. So yeah, while doing all this analysis, it's hard to trade. Yeah, the markets are like dumping crazily, dump like some relaxation and then dump again. Um, maybe within this week we can again get a second deviation move like last week. Last week we got a two deviation moves towards the downward side. That's crazy because the markets are right now very volatile. There is a news. There was just a normal news. You know, the war between Iran and US has been happening for such a long time, but the markets dumps very quickly at the highs. This is what happens, right? Market will dump very quickly when it's on the highs, all-time highs. That's how the institutions are able to sell all their supply. They need to do it quickly, otherwise people are going to keep the prices higher. So they want to sell whatever they can without anyone knowing. Let's see if there is some news going on in the market. So just now Trump. So the reason why we saw that dump, because Um, Around 3 minutes ago, Donald Trump actually did some tweet. He did some tweet and then market dumped. That's how it is. That's how the markets are moving by Mr. President Trump. Um, okay, what is that? There is some oil inventories are expected to fall to lowest level since 2003. Okay, that's crazy. Let's watch what's happening with oil. Okay, that makes sense. So we are seeing oil markets are pumping because of that. Okay, wow. There is a certain reversal in S&P. Wow, let's wait and watch. I was waiting for this actually to happen. There is a sudden pump, right? Lots of money just went in oil because there will be very less oil left for everyone, and it will be to the lowest levels since 2003. So that is the reason, institutions are dumping their money, whatever they have made in here, in all these futures and bonds, and they're buying their inventories, right? So everyone is like panicking about these inventories. So there will be some more problems. Okay. There is another tweet or message from Trump. Which caused, okay, Iranians down one of our helicopters last night. US must react to Iran assault. In Truth Social. Okay, so yeah, the reason for this like quick dump is because of Trump's tweets and messages in the social media. No one would expect this quick moves in the market. But yeah, we are seeing these things happening in real time. I'm trying to trade that as well. It's like we are living in some sort of, fairy tale land. Okay, I believe my mic sound is now correct. It's not too much. Okay, the markets are actually holding this area. 427. some risk on this crazy volatile market. Let's see if we can continue to dump. This area looks like it's not able to, it will not give up that easily. It's consolidating here. Mostly I will be getting stopped out, but let's see if you can break below. It's not such a big trade, but hopefully the sellers will continue to sell from here. So I've entered shorts here. Okay, I cannot see my positions. It's consolidating here, like we don't know what is going to happen, but let's see if the sellers will be able to take over. So what I see, they are continuously holding. If they go above again, then I will definitely close with this trade. So we went below Wednesday lows. Let's see if we can quickly get a low, new low created at 167. expecting a big bar closing below over here. This is very risky trade at the moment. It's again closing above, so it's not a good sign. Mostly I will close this trade that if they will not be able to close below, they are absorbing this Tuesday. Okay, they gave up these lows. Okay, let's see how this candle will close. Okay, they're absorbing all these orders. There's a little bit of absorption going on, but seeing the ES, I still want to be in the trade. If you watch ES, we are still trying to go below. Okay, so at this point, I want to see a big flush down now rather than flush up. 330. So I will put my stops to very close because I don't want to lose on this trade. Okay, let me continue to hold it here. Okay, I closed the trade. I didn't want to lose on this trade, given that the market is right now not working that well. And why I don't see my accounts correctly. Okay, so it closed above, so we don't know. You still have to wait. So this is like a little bit chop here. They're trying to hold this level. This is a big area. Market would like to hold this area for some time. So I will stay outside right now. Okay, I have like around $25 in loss. That is not a big deal in this crazy market days. But yeah, the market is trying to hold this area. If you see, there is lots of volume, and when market goes down, the volume also decreases. It means we can kind of like see a move higher right now. Not much interest in this region. We try to go down. There's a big candle. Market will try to actually go back up for some time to fill some orders. Okay, so Bitcoin and commodities. I'm not trading in Bitcoin at the moment, but I used to trade around 5-6 years ago. I had a very bad experience trading Bitcoin because it's pretty volatile, pretty much volatile. It's crazy. There is always some sort of manipulation going on. So that needs a different type of mindset. I really don't know if I should be trading the Bitcoin yet, but let's see. don't know what will happen in the future. So if I will have some good experience trading Bitcoin, why not? I can stream that as well for you. Yeah, so let's see what happened. So as I said, we consolidated a lot, less volume. What happens on the other side? More volumes comes for the buyer side, and we go up. That's all what's happening. So we just need to see, where we're going to go next. The market is trying to go back up. Yeah, lots of volume. Even in ES, it held the Wednesday lows, and then we are going up from there. And the market actually held the Tuesday lows. So it's good that I took myself out of this market, seeing this extreme sort of consolidation in this area, and then saved some of my capital. Saving your capital is one of the most important part. But today is a market where you cannot say anything. Lots of things can go wrong very quickly. So staying very vigilant right now. So we traveled back to the Monday lows. Market is very volatile. See, it's like 800 ticks just like that. Today, high frequency traders are having a very good day. If you see what happened in this POC, we actually rejected this POC. If we start breaking above this 30-minute candle, we might go till the range low. This is the range low, right? That's the high, that's the low, right? For the volume, so we might go to the range low, and we will see what we'll do. Like maybe it can return back to this area. Who knows? Okay, the market is reacting in ES to the Tuesday lows. So we went very down, very much down today. Again, very volatile day. There is no opportunity that I can take. I waited for this, took this opportunity, and we are pumping back to the upward side. If you close your eyes for 1 second, then you are gone in this kind of market. And managing the risk is very important. Pratik, would you like me to trade for the commodities? So I used to trade gold as well, but it was in CFD, and I don't trade CFD anymore. It's only futures, Nasdaq, and ES. So ES is bouncing back, heavy bounce back. Yeah, it's a big one. So all the sell-off, it recovered. The price recovered very quickly. We held this low, and then we go back up. Okay, let's see what's happening in other markets. Like let's see Nvidia. Okay, so there's a big selling, and that actually caused some buyers to come in. We need the market to actually to short more. We need the market to stabilize somewhere over in the midpoint, and then we can look for another rotation towards the downward side. Let's remove these trades. I missed this trade, very bad. At least I took the second one. Okay, market is very quickly jumping up. We should not be chasing the market now. Let's see what opportunity it will present. Maybe we will find some more sellers. Need to keep looking at the areas where we want to trade. Let me clear out the graph. See, there are some buyers, but these buyers are not that much, effective. There is no new buyers joining this party towards the upward side. There were some good buyers here to take the market above. So the point of control came out to be on Monday lows. See, if Monday lows hold right now, all these sellers who sold below, right, they are going to get trapped. It is a big trap, and market can actually push towards the upward side. This is a big risk trade. If I can trade this, mostly I will not take it. I will always want my trade to be somewhere, the risk should be less. Let's see if these buyers and the market holds this volume. If it breaks below this volume, then we can actually see another leg down. If this volume node holds, then we can actually target higher, like maybe the market is going to go very high. Who knows? So the market is coming back to Monday lows. Hopefully they will hold this area. The market shows exactly, this actually takes in account of average true range of the market. That's why we will also have to risk even more to make some money today. I trade level to level, right? So my idea to trade is to target some levels where there is enough liquidity or there is a reversal point. That's why I always plan some trades like that. So they break above, so mostly I should be going long from here. Market went very aggressively towards the upward side, and we're trading above. These sellers are actually already in deep water. They might be already covering their shorts. Okay, there is a short. There is a seller coming in. Let's see if we can hold this level. Monday lows. We actually need to read the players in the market. What are they doing? Let's wait and watch. Market can actually do a breakout. If it does a breakout towards the upward side, I don't know if it will be fake. First of all, we should never be in a situation where we are trying to predict the market. So let's say we went this much down and we will continue to go down. So one of the schools of thoughts, it prefers that okay, market went down, it will go even more down. Yeah, that's one of those philosophies. But the point is that today is Tuesday, the second day of the market. Okay, let me see if this week is going to be long or short. So if I see the calendar, so market is open till Friday. There can be motivation that the market wants to go up now. Like we have sold enough, right? I'm not trying to buy the dip, or I'm not trying to sell the tops. You can still sell here and can make some money, or you can still buy here and make some money. It doesn't matter. We just need to make some money. The thing is, we are holding above this, volume imbalance. That's a good sign that the market can actually go up. And we have also blocked sellers, trap lots of these sellers, and these trap sellers can actually cause the market to push even higher. So this is what I see right now, but I need to still wait for this 15-minute candle to close. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.